Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5555 square minus 4444 square is what without using calculator. So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm considering 5555 as A and 4444 as B. Now I'm going to use the identity that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a minus b times a plus b. So let's apply. So 5555 minus 4444 bracket 5555 plus 4444. Now 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Similarly, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9, 9. So we have to multiply these two numbers, but we already decided it. We are not going to use the calculator. So I can write this as 1111 times 9999. If I'll take 9 as common, so 1111. Now I can take this 111 as common. So what is left? 1 times 9. So this is square. 1111 square times 9. I can write it as 3 square. Now according to exponent rule, x square times y square, we can write it as xy whole square. So it becomes 1111 times 3 whole square. So it becomes 3333 whole square. Now we can write this 3333 in terms of exponential form as 3 0 0 0 plus 3 0 0 plus 3 0 plus 3 whole square. This will look difficult, so we can write this 3333 whole square as 3 times 11. 3333 times 3333. Now I'll take 333 as common, so it becomes 3000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. Now the multiplication is easy. So 9999000 plus 99990 plus 99990 plus 9999. Now we can simply add them without using calculator. 9, this gives us 18, carry over 1, it's 27 plus 1, 28. Now it's become 36 plus 2, 38. Now it becomes 27 plus 3, 30. Now this becomes 9, 11 and 1. So this becomes 1, 1, 0, 8, 8, 8, 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. That's how you can solve this type of problem without using calculator. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.